diagram is a mechanism of applying root cause analysis. It's a mechanism of applying root cause analysis. Very popular in PMI's world. Cause and effect diagram is also termed as fishbone diagram, YY diagram, Ishikawa diagram. The same mindset of knowing your causes for a problem or risk and understanding the impact, and then knowing your action steps is going to be applied. That process is going to be applied. So this technique asks you to place the problem or risk on the head of the fish. So it's termed as fishbone diagram for the reason that you are going to create a fishbone structure. So that's a fish body, and on the fins of it, you are going to put the causes. So for instance, this is an example cause and effect diagram coming directly from PM box. Product quality not matching the requirements. Very, very usual issue in any project, common problem in a project, and it can be a risk as well. So you put that on the head of the fish, then you create a fishbone structure, and then you start adding the possible causes first. So the number one step is knowing your problem or risk. The number two step is know possible causes. It's not the real cause. First, possible causes, and then converts to the real cause. So know the possible cause. The product quality not meeting the expectations or the requirement of quality can be due to a variety of reasons. It can be people, it can be process, it can be management, it can be product, material, equipment, right? It can be for other reasons as well. Then the third step is expand causes. So this is a major head. For instance, equipment is a major head of the causes. It is a major head of the possible causes. All of these are possible causes. Right. So equipment can have a variety of other causes. For instance, low maintenance, obsolete technology, improper handling, or maybe lack of documentation available for the equipment, right? Or maybe lack of right resources available to handle the equipment. Can be a variety of causes for this main cause head. Same goes for process, same goes for people. For instance, under the people, you can have a cause that if people is the reason behind poor quality, then it can be low morale, fatigue, lack of training, lack of right skill set, and it can be, poor management application, lack of mentoring, coaching. It can be a variety of reasons. Again, you need to expand your causes. Then you need to converge to the actual cause. One after the another, discuss each of the causes, so that based on the facts and figures. So of course, you will have your data in front of you, the quality data. So if low maintenance is the issue, the quality data is going to tell you that no, it's not the issue, it's not the issue, it's not the issue, it's not the issue, it's not. For instance, this is also not the issue. But when you come to this point, you get to know that yes, this possibly is one of the issues, that people are not properly trained or properly knowledgeable, right? And maybe the other, there can be a variety of causes as well based on the data. Maybe the other reason is like bad quality, bad working conditions for the staff, right? So this is another reason, and the other reasons like really doesn't apply in our case. So you converge to the actual cost based on quality data. That's why it's the first step. You need to have your data, you need to have your analysis, and that understanding of analysis is going to give you this visibility of representing that analyzed data. It's a data representation technique. Keep that in mind. It represents your data or the information that you have gathered from the previous step. And then the fifth step is, the action step. The action step actually comes later. The first step is like once you understand the reason or the cause of your problem, then you understand its impact, that where and how it's going to impact, right? And impact analysis can be done by doing multiple iterations of root cause analysis. You can do impact analysis other ways as well, but usually it's termed as YY or 5Y diagram. It's also termed as 5Y diagram because it's recommended to iterate a particular problem and its cause 5 times to get to know the actual impact and how this problem is going to affect you in a more wider way. So impact analysis, and then knowing your action step, that what you are going to do to fix it or to not let it happen again in the future. So this is a way of representing your problem, its causes, its impact. So for instance, if lack of training is an issue and you do not really want to stop here by knowing only that this is an issue, maybe you want to do another iteration by putting it on the fishbone head